What day is today? Monday, the day of week. Today is Monday. Did you pay the bills? Yes, I paid them all. No, I need to do that today. Why are you late today? I missed the bus. I woke up late. Do you like animals? Yes, I like animals. No, I don't like pets. Are you free now? Yes, I am. No, I'm busy. Do you like cold weather? Yes, I like winter. No, I like summer. Do you like mountains? Yes, they are beautiful. No, I like cities more. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love visiting new places. Yes, traveling makes me happy. Do you like gardening? Yes, I grow vegetables at home. Yes, gardening makes me happy. Do you use a laptop? Yes, I use it for study. Yes, I use it for office work. Do you shop online? Yes, I order clothes online. Yes, I buy books online. When are you going to the dentist? I'm going tomorrow. I'm going next week. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. My favorite fruit is apple. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling a little nervous. Do you live with your family? Yes, I do. No, I live alone. What is your hobby? My hobby is painting. My hobby is reading books. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is green. How far is the park from here? It is 2 kilometers away. It is a 10-minute walk. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. I'm going to school. What are you looking for? I'm looking for my pen. I'm looking for my keys. What are you practicing? I'm practicing English grammar. I'm practicing pronunciation. What are you carrying? I'm carrying a bag. I'm carrying some books. What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for my friend. I'm waiting for the bus. What are you learning online? I'm learning English online. I'm learning coding online. What are you typing? I'm typing a message. I'm typing an article. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling tired. How are you traveling? I'm traveling by bus. I'm traveling by train. How often do you read books? I read books every day. I read books once a week. How often do you use your phone? I use my phone every hour. I use my phone only at night. How often do you read the newspaper? I read it daily. I read it sometimes. When did you visit your friend? I visited him yesterday. I visited him on Saturday. How will you travel to school? I will travel by bus. I will travel by bicycle. When do you wake up? I wake up at 6 o'clock. Yesterday, I woke up late. How will you spend your holiday? I will spend it with family. I will spend it reading books. What did you find in the park? I found a lost ball. I found a small bird. When do you water the plants? I water them in the morning. I water them in the evening. How do you learn new words? I learn by writing them. I learn by using flashcards. How do you keep yourself healthy? I eat fruits. I exercise daily. What are you looking at? I'm looking at the sky. I'm looking at a picture.